Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to split screen two apps on Google Pixel 10 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is choose two apps. If you want to split screen them, we're going to choose Messages for example and the Google Chrome. Now we're going to choose here, and as you guys can see, we're going to press and hold our finger right here. We're going to go and click on split screen, and we're going to choose another app. So we can either choose from here or we can choose from here. So let's go over split screen, choose Messages, and now we got two apps at the same time. So here we can ask AI, hello, write an SMS message to my friend about canceling the plans for tomorrow. And as you guys can see, we can start texting our friend. And as you guys can see, the AI mode is now not really working, but still we should get it. So let's go over now. Let's go to AI mode and see if it works. As you guys can see, we got it. So now we can choose our friend for an example, and we can copy this message. So let's copy it like this, and now copy. We're gonna automatically paste it, and as you guys can see, we got it. So that's how you guys can easily split screen those apps, and that's it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.